Midday update for SOFI here on Friday the 25th. With Elliott Wave, I see this as potentially topped out for this move. We went all the way from 880 to 1070, which is about a 20 to 21% move. So that's a pretty good move. And SPY went from 411 and it's at 436.50 right now. I'm expecting SPY to possibly pull back to the low 430s and then go to 445 to complete a first wave. And so if you think about like that, maybe SOFI follows SPY to the low 430s. I know it normally doesn't follow SPY, but I'm just using SPY as the index that I've been following lately. Maybe I should be following IWM. But so yeah, my thoughts are we just finished a fifth wave and we're looking for a pullback to the 50% retracement, which would be 977, possibly 955 on a pullback. And then there's no telling when that will happen, because we have earnings on Tuesday after the market. So I don't know how this is going to play out timing wise, but I'm expecting the third wave to take us to possibly, let's see, third wave maybe take us to the high 11s. And then if we go to the high 11s, let's say we go from 977 to high 11s, 1146. Let's see here, give you an idea where I think we're going to head short term. So I think short term we could head to 13 or so, and we have all that resistance right here. 13, maybe 1350, something, so 13 to 1350, I would say, for this overall first wave, which is where we were like last week. So if we have good earnings, I think we could probably get to 13 to 1350, and this makes sense with all the open interest calls for March. They probably aren't going to let those be in the money. So to summarize, I want to make this kind of quick. 1070, potentially the top. Could be wrong. Maybe it goes a little bit higher. Maybe SPY just flies all the way to 445 right now. But it looks like the top, and then we move back to 980, and then up to 12 bucks or so. And timing wise, I'm not sure, but I'm playing this. I sold 5 covered calls at $11 for next week. Got a lot of premium for that. I'm going to use my shares that I bought between 10.50 and 11 just in case I'm wrong. I will still be profitable on that. Also sold 5 at 12.50. Thinking on that is I don't see us, well, I see us pulling back before we hit 12.50 anyway. And so I'm going to take profit on all these if we go back to below $9. But I put it a little bit higher just in case. And then I sold the rest of my shares around $14 for the cover calls, and potentially, you know, make like, if I can make like $400 or $500 on a pullback here, that would be really nice, because plan is to, depending on when it is, probably the next set of cover calls I won't sell until we get to the third wave, maybe not until the fifth wave. So just playing the first wave move and then trying to make a little bit of money on that. And we'll see how it plays out. Let me know what you think in the comments. To summarize, I think we're going to go below 10 on the next move down whenever SPY pulls back. Maybe not today. It could be on Monday too. So let me know what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe. And I'm trying to do more midday videos instead of after the market closes. But yeah. Check out the book that I have listed in the description as well if you're interested in learning Elliott Wave to give you more accurate price targets, entries, and exits. It's what I read when I first started Elliott Wave, and it really helped me out because it's pretty beginner friendly. So check it out. Let me know what you think. I'll see you in the next video.